everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we did a look using the products that L&B Cosmetics sent to me. So this is everything that they sent to me, and I'm going to show y'all all of it step by step in the intro, and then when we jump into the video you can actually see the tutorial part. So if you are new, my name is Brooklyn and we do hair, skin, and makeup related videos. Not so much skin yet, but I do want to do those. We do hair tutorials and makeup tutorials very often. If you are new, please subscribe and like this video if you do end up liking this look. All of my social media will be down below if you want to follow me on any of that. Without further ado, I'm going to show y'all what she sent me. So Brittany is the head and owner, co-founder of L&B Cosmetics. So she decided to send me some goodies to test out for you guys, and she also gave me a code. It will be down below along with the link so you can save some money. All of these products are super inexpensive and super freaking bomb, so very relatable to Morphe, and I'm not just saying that, like, they're very good. So I'm going to just show y'all everything she sent me. So the first thing that I'm going to show y'all is the makeup bag. So it says L&B, and then it says hashtag Lbbc babe, and then it has lashes on the back. It's very big. I love this. This will probably hold all of my liquid lipsticks that she sent me. The next thing that she sent me that I'm most excited about was the Nudes Palette. So this is all of her info on the back. I am going to drop it down below for you guys, but this is what the palette looks like. It is all nudes and a little bit of shimmer, best of both worlds. It is gorgeous. I love it, and you are going to see me create this gorgeous look using it. So the next thing that she sent me was the Rub It Out color cleaning for your brushes. It is just a sponge. You take this sponge out and you clean it with soap and water, but you can color change your shadows while you're doing crazy looks. So I do use this in my video as well. Also, I will add, all of her products are very sexual related, and it took me a while to actually understand that, so the farther I go, you'll understand. So the next thing she sent me was the Frost Yourself highlighter. Everything is marble themed. I love marble. So this is what it looks like. It is a gorgeous white kind of highlighter. Very creamy, very pretty. It is called Whip Me. The next thing that she sent me was the Creamer Blender Bud. You can see I have destroyed it. It was marble and gorgeous and beautiful, and I'm so sad, but it is so good, so soft. I am obsessed with it. The next thing she sent me was the L&B Lash Applicator tool. It is all bedazzled and cute. This is my cup of tea. If you know me, I love it. I'm so obsessed with it, and you will see how easily it helps me apply my lashes today. The next things that she sent me are some liquid lipsticks. So we have DSL, and I did swatch it for you guys. All of these I swatched. And then we have Tease, Giggle, and Climax. So I'm going to hold all of them together for you guys. So these are all of the names, and then these are swatches. So we have DSL, Giggle, Tease, and Climax. These two and this one are matte, and this is a metallic shimmery one, and that is Giggle. So they're all super pretty. I really like them. I have DSL on my lips right now. Then the next thing that she sent me, y'all, this is so funny that she came up with this. She's so creative. Y'all are going to love her. I'm going to put all of her social media down below too. But this is a mask applicator tool, and so she named it the Maskerbate. I think that's how you say it. Maskerbate mask applicator. Oh my god, it's so funny. But it's marble as well. I'm going to try this tonight for a mask. I'm super excited to try that. Then the last several things that she sent me was actually a brush set. So I'm going to show y'all all of these. So I did use these brushes in my video today. As you can see, most of them are dirty. So she gave me a 5-piece face set. This is all one brush set, but it comes with 5 face brushes. They all look like that. And then she sent me 5, yes, I'm counting them, 5 eye brushes. So I used all of them except for these 2, but they were all really nice, super soft, and I love them. And again, she is going with the marble theme, which I freaking am obsessed with marble. Alright you guys, so that is all Brittany sent me, and I am so excited for all of these products, and I can't wait to see all of the amazing looks that I'm going to create, including this one that I just did. So if you want to see how I got this, then just keep watching. Alright, as always, we have the brows done, and I went ahead and concealed around them and primed my lids with concealer. Now I'm going to take the vitamin C drops, and this is going to kind of act as a primer, and we're just going to put this on my face. I'm not going to use a lot because I use a lot when I do it at nighttime. We're just going to do a little. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Sin Nudes palette, and it just looks like this. I have swatched it, so that's why there's little smudge marks, and I'm going to take both of these blending brushes, and those are the brushes that we're going to use to start this eye look. So I'm going to take in the smaller one first, and I'm going to go in with All Natural. And we're going to start blending that into my crease.
Okay, so I'm going to go back over.
And I'm going to go in with Adam and put it pretty much in the same place. Okay, so I'm going to hop over to the Morphe M433 blending brush, and I'm going to go in with Leafless. I hope I'm saying these right. And we're just going to start deepening everything up. These shadows are blending together so nicely, and they're honestly really pigmented, so far so good. Okay, so now we're going to take this shade right here, which is called Bottomless, and we are going to continue using the Morphe brush and blend that in the outer V yet again. Okay, now to just deepen it up a little more and add in some more like pinky red tones, I'm going to take this shade, which is called Peeled, and blend that in the same spot. I'm going to mainly focus it on the outer V though. Okay, so it's definitely more orange and peachy than I wanted, so I want to go more towards the brown side. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is just a deep chocolate brown, and it is called Disrobed. And I'm going to take the same Morphe brush, and we're just going to start packing it on the outer V and then slowly blend it up towards the front. Okay, so we have a lot of blending to do. I know it looks crazy, just don't judge it yet. And especially since I'm not using tape, it looks really crazy. But I'm going to go in with this lighter shade right here, which is called Skimpy, and I'm going to put that under my brows.
Whoa, girl. That is crazy pigmented.
Okay, so I'm going to pause for a second before I start doing any more blending, and I forgot that I wanted to go ahead and put some of these Collagen Mask on, and I just want to let them soak really good into my skin while we are continuing my eyes. So these are from, I'm not even sure. I will find out where it's from. I think it's from Focular, and I will tag them so you can go get these.
They're so gooey, y'all. I don't like goo. Oh, it feels like an egg. Oh no. Oh, they're so cold.
Alright, so I took some concealer and went ahead and did a half cut crease, and I used this flat brush from the brush set, and I'm going to go in with this shade, which is called Vulnerable, and we're going to pack that all over my lid. Okay, so I did a thin line of liner and threw on a little bit of mascara. So now I'm going to take the lash tool from them And I have my lashes ready to go, and we're going to use this tool to get these little babes on. So easy. I love this thing so far. And I love that it's bedazzled. Just saying. Definitely a bedazzly kind of girl. Okay, she was good. Alright, so use that tool. We're good to go. So now let's start my face. Okay, so we're just going to take these patches off. And I'm going to rub that in. Okay, so another thing Brittany sent me was the Beautyblender, and it is called the Creamer. And I am so sad to use it because it's marble and white, and I don't want to friggin' get it all gross, but it's so soft. So I'm gonna go dampen it, and we are gonna use it for my foundation. Alright, so I have my foundation all on, and I'm going to take one of the marble brushes to start by blending it in, and then we will go in with the blender. I will say these brushes are so freaking soft, and I went and dampened the sponge, and it's so freaking soft. It's probably the softest blender ever, and it grew like 700 sizes, so that's pretty cool. We're just blending this all in really nicely. Alright, so then I'm going to take the large, this thing is so freaking soft. It is the softest blender that I've ever like held. Like even softer than my Real Techniques, which is crazy. And we're just going to blend it.
I'm so sad.
Alright, so now we're going to blend out my concealer. I will have all of the face products that I did use below. I'm not really showing them because I want this to be mainly about L&B. Showing all of the new stuff that we got. Alright, so I went ahead and did some baking powder, so now I'm just going to take another one of the marble brushes and set the rest of my face. So going in with a bronzing brush, we're going to do some bronzer. I'm going to take the angled brush and do some blush. So now I'm going to dust away all of this translucent powder. Okay, so I went ahead and did my lower lash, and I put on some lower lash mascara. So now for highlight, we're going to go in with the Frost Yourself highlighter in the shade Whip Me. And it's just a really pretty white highlight. I'm going to swatch it for y'all. See how pretty that is? Okay, so we are going to put that on using this marble brush, again from the brush set. And here we go. I'm going to do a little more blending up in there, and I'm using the little blending brush, and I'm going to go in with the Rub It Out eyeshadow brush cleaner, and all you do is you just clean it off because I don't want the brush to have any more product on it, so that way we can just get a nice seamless blend. Quickly before I do my lips, I wanted to show y'all the bag that she also sent me. It is so cute, and it has lashes on the back. I'm probably going to put all of my liquid lipsticks in here because it's just the cutest. So I just wanted to show that really fast. So for lips, we have 4 options that she did send me. Probably should have made it to where y'all could see the names. Okay, so we have DSL, Giggle, Tease, and Climax. So I think I'm going to go in with either DSL or Climax. They're both really pretty nudes, so I'm going to swatch them really quickly for y'all. So I'm going to swatch DSL first. I did swatch all of these on my Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. So if you don't have me on any of that, I will have it all listed below. There's DSL. This one is so pretty. This one I was obsessed with. I didn't even know she was sending it to me, so when I got it, I was like, alright, so this one right here is Giggle. Look at how pretty. It's like a metallic pinky color, and this one's more of like a ginger brown. So pretty. So then this next one is Tease. It is also a pink. I wanted to get a nude and a pink, and she ended up sending me 2 pinks and 2 nudes. So here we have that one. It is going to be a matte. So pretty. And then the last is Climax, which is a pinky, orangey, peachy nude. I really like it. Okay, so that one right there. So I think we are going to go in with DSL because we have a really pretty look going on, unless we do Tease, because I really like that pink. I wish that y'all guys could tell me like on YouTube what to do. So I think I am going to go ahead and I'm just going to do DSL, okay? So that is this one right here. I'm not going to line my lips. We're just going to go in. Okay, so the lips did simmer down, I guess you could say, into a matte. And this is what all of the swatches did. They are all mattes except for Giggle. Giggle is the metallic one. So they're all really pretty. I can't wait to see the looks that I will do with them. So y'all just keep watching to see all the crazy looks that I'm going to create. Alright, so this is the finished look. I will show y'all up close. I think it turned out so good. I am obsessed with this palette. It's upside down. It is so good. Really pigmented. And I'm pretty sure all these products are not very expensive. I will get prices and I will drop them down below for each one. You can use the code Brooklynn. There's 2 N's in Brooklynn. And I will comment the link and you can just click on it and go get these goodies. But I hope y'all enjoyed this look. If you did, please let me know down below. My email will be down below for any other people that would like to send me their goodies to test out for reviews. But I hope y'all like this, and I'm sorry I keep messing with my hair. It's just I haven't shampooed it, and so it's kind of crazy. But I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.